Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing some routine maintenance. We're out at Dirty Diesels.
Hi.
We're going to do some routine maintenance with our AMSOIL. Of course, if you're new to the channel and you didn't know, I am an AMSOIL dealer. You can get your AMSOIL from us at bsynthetics.com. We're also going to do an oil filter change with our cat filter setup. You can get your cat filter set up here at Dirty Diesels. Josh will hook you up.
So you're going to do an oil filter change to the cat filter setup?
Yeah, oil filter change with the, well, it's the cat filter setup.
Fuel filter.
Fuel filter. Oh,
No. Take two! Cut!
We're going to do a fuel filter change as well. And yeah, now I'm all out of sorts. But it's a good thing you caught that because I look like a smack ass. So when I'm editing, I'm like, what the hell was I thinking when I said that?
It's like, oh, Steve's going to change his oil filter, the cat filter.
Yeah. No, we went with the AMSOIL oil filter and we're going to be changing our cat fuel filter.
Shocking, man, Dirty Diesels, because Steve only goes to the Jeep shop now.
Ah, stop. I haven't been in the JP shop in a while.
There's Steve at the Jeep shop.
Oh, man.
There's Steve at Mishimoto at the Jeep shop. Or Maple Grove Automotive. Yeah, Maple Grove Automotive. Steve who?
Guys, the only reason why I'm filming this is because I got a lot of questions. A lot of people are watching my old video where I made a huge mess in the driveway. Well, I put this no spill system in a while ago. If you guys are interested in this, check out the links below in the video description. No mess. No messy messes anymore.
At least Dodge puts a drain plug on the bottom. Unlike Ford.
Look at that. Would you just look at it? It's so clean. And we'll just let that drain a while because she's hot. I'm not touching that oil filter for a little bit. I almost forgot to undo this. We're gonna check the Mishimoto catch can that we installed a while back here at Dirty Diesels. We're gonna check our high quality Mishimoto catch can. I feel like there's some oil in there. I really do. It is empty. That D&J valve cover that we have installed in this truck is ridiculous. There's like no blow by. And that hose definitely isn't kinked, so I'm happy. So guys, tell me what you think of this no spill, Ram Beast approved, less mess, easy drain. Very simple. So every time I work on my truck, I never wear gloves. And they got awesome gloves here, and I never wear them. And look what happens to me. Every time, guys.
You want some?
No, I'm filthy now anyway. I'm filthy anyway, so I'll wash my hands before lunch, and then I'll put them on when we're finishing up the job. I'm gonna attempt to grab onto this filter without burning myself. It might be too hot still. When you're changing oil on these 6.7s, this tool right here is awesome. Helps you not make a huge mess. See guys, less mess. Less mess. This thing is awesome. What do you think about that, Gino? My hands are on fire right now.
Sick of them. I hate not being able to, I hate worrying about curving them and that kind of stuff.
This is so awkward doing it from this angle. All right, you guys get the point. I already dressed the gasket for the oil filter, and we're just gonna screw it in. All right, filter's in. Simple. Let's see if it'll come off with my hand. I doubt it. God, I'm just striking out today. And I promise you guys, I will not use any C's. on it when I put it back in. I got so much crap for that when we installed this.
Alright, you're making a mess under there, guy.
Yeah.
I could have given you a hose to help. I have a hose just for that.
I haven't even taken off the separator yet.
Oh. Here, hang on.
You got a rag?
Yeah.
Alright, we got the cap filter in. Now we're gonna drain the water separator, which is that orange one right there. You gotta unplug it from the factory harness, which is right up yonder. Let's see. This is where if you had a nice little hose, you can hook to the end of that and not get diesel all over the place, but I don't have that. So I'm gonna be filthy and I'm gonna stink like diesel.
Should make like 88 minutes.
What?
You gonna hit the dyno with it?
He wants to. One of the faster trucks I've ever driven.
What's he got done to it?
It's got a 476 on it.
Nice.
Lots of fuel.
That's what we need to do, Josh. Fuel. The missing piece to the puzzle. Guys, just make sure you shut this valve off at the bottom. If you don't do that, you'll have a mess on your hand when you go to prime it. And you'll hear it click once it goes in. That's gonna go in the top one. Make sure this wire is away from your exhaust tank because you don't want that hitting that. It gets hot, melt, and then you'll have other issues. Let's put some oil in this thing and call it a day. Signature Series AMSOIL, Beast Synthetics. All right, guys, it takes 12 quarts
I just said that.
to fill this thing. Yeah, Gino just said that. 4 quarts to a gallon. We are 2 gallons in.
Oh, that's good enough.
Yeah. And it's getting ready to downpour here.
Now let me ask you this: it's your truck, right?
Right?
You do all the PMs on this truck, right?
Dude, I have 3 vehicles.
And you don't know how much. This is the oldest. You had this one longer.
You're right.
So you should know how
I've only
much this takes. You should know how much this oil this truck
I only
takes.
personally changed the oil in this thing once.
Oil it takes?
No,
Shut up, Josh! 12 quarts.
It's a Cummins. They all take 3 gallons.
There you go.
That was the program, Steve.
And Gino,
Yes.
I'm gifting this to you.
What is it?
It's keep your, it's AMSOIL all-in-one. It's going to take care of your diesel. I know you're a power stroke guy, so you need all the help you can get.
Well, show this where the sun don't shine. Go to beastsynthetics.com
Or,
go to dirtydiesels.com and get AMSOIL.
well, not Dirty Diesels. Come here. Come
to Dirty
Come
Diesel.
to Dirty Diesels.
Come to Dirty.
Tell Josh
You better.
about some AMSOIL. All right, guys. Now that we changed the fuel filter we want to prime it. So to prime it, all you're gonna do is put the truck to run a couple times. And just like that, we're done. Shout out to Josh for letting me use his pad in front of the garage here. Oh. I did prime it. I primed it.
How many
You
times?
got
4 times.
Yeah, how come it's dripping all over the ground?
It's not dripping.
Okay.
I seen you laughing. It's not dripping, is it? All right, so you may have to do it more than 4 times. Well, it took about 10 times and taking my time, turning the truck to run and waiting a decent period of time, then turning it back off and putting it back to run before it finally primed enough to start. I mean, it started, but there must have been air in the system still and then shut down, but we're good. Live and learning, guys. Live and learn. Live and learn. So what I'm going to do now is reset my oil life and fuel filter life. You're going to go to vehicle info, go to oil life, and then you're going to hold down the right arrow to reset it. And of course, ignition must be off and set to run. Now we can reset it. All right, so you're gonna go to vehicle info. As you can see at the top there, pan over to your right till you get the oil life. And then you're gonna hold down the right arrow to reset it. Scroll down, okay. We're back to 100. Now we're gonna go to, actually, we're gonna go over some more. We're gonna go to fuel filter life. Hold the right arrow to reset it. Scroll down to okay. Hit the right arrow again. And we are good. We're good until next year, unless I drive this thing a lot more, which may happen. Guys, I'm back home. If you guys are interested in the AMSOIL, if you're local, Dirty Diesels is an actual AMSOIL retail site for me, through me. So if you go there, if you purchase AMSOIL from them directly, it benefits the channel indirectly. If you're not local, check out beastsynthetics.com. It's always in all the video descriptions. It's on my website, rambeastprojects.com. And the cat filters, if you're interested in that. Dirty Diesels has a kit where you can get, it's a package. You can get the fleece fuel ball delete, the fuel ball that's on the side of the engine block. You get the fuel line that goes from your CP3 to the steel line. And then you also get your cat filter kit, which comes with the filters and your water separator, basically your water separator and your cat filter. They sell those kit packages. You can break it down however you want it. It's on their website, dirtydiesels.com. If you're local, again, swing by the shop. They'll sell it to you in person. You want to do it yourself, install it, or have them install it. They got you covered. Right now, I reek of diesel because I think I got about a cup or a half cup full, at least a half cup full of diesel fuel that ran out of the filter down my arm, through my armpit into my shirt. So I have to take a shower before the wifey gets back.